We're all falling and we need a place to hide. A safe place somewhere in the woods we can start a fire. All we know is what will be our home. We will stay until the break of dawn. Cold night takes us to a place to escape the chill. Tucked up somewhere in the woods on a hill. Wake up feeling the cold in between our toes. Is there a way?
Come on, Cole.
Oh, Levi, you won't believe it. And what we have here is a rare dinosaur egg. Only found in this part of Minnesota. Look at the colour of that thing. Unbelievable. Just unbelievable, Levi. You can't even describe this to someone. Unbelievable. Yeah, that's far. That's wild. See, what we have here is a lake. And you can tell it's a lake by the way that it is. Happy we're here together. It's so freaking cold. I got this piece of wood though. I'm taking it back home to North Carolina.
Cole, how's your first time experiencing Lake Superior or Great Lake?
I think the first word would be cold. Other than that, fantastic. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Oofda. Is that what y'all say?
That's what we say.
Go get some Budweiser. No, I can't do it.
You gave it a good shot.
Get some Budweisers. Sit on the Great Lakes. Oofda. Yeah?
That's pretty good. That's pretty good. I like that.
Hey Cole, what's up? What we about to do, buddy? How you doing, bud? Oofda. We just got done eating and spending all these. We're about to hop in the lake. The big lake.
What's this lake called?
It's called Lake Superior because it's the biggest one. It's superior to the others. Hey, bud. Oofda. Seriously. I'm Cole.
I'm Levi.
And this is Jackass.
That's no joke.
That's cooler, yes sir.
See, in Minnesota, we call that the polar plunge.
Polar plunge. Well, polar plunge in the big lake complete.
Dude, that sucks.
God.